Hey friends, who's hungry? Craving something tropical and cozy? Let's make my Piña Colada coconut raisin bread pudding. It's like a Caribbean vacation in dessert form. Start with 8 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 3/4 of a cup of sweetened flaked coconut, 1½ cups of drained crushed pineapple, 1½ cups of chopped pecans, and ½ a cup of golden raisins. Sweeten it up with 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of Piña Colada mix, and 4 cups of heavy cream or whole milk. Stir everything together, then whisk in 3 lightly beaten eggs until smooth. The mixture should be thick and creamy, not watery. This is the base of your custard. Add 1 loaf of cubed day-old French bread, about 6 to 8 cups loosely packed. Fold it in until every piece is coated in that rich custard. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight. This lets the bread soak up all that delicious flavor. When you're ready to bake, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour the mixture into a greased 9 by 12 inch baking dish. Bake for about 1 hour or until the top is golden brown and the center is just set. Serve this bread pudding warm with a drizzle of homemade rum sauce, whipped cream, or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.